this video, we will try to install AAPanel on virtual private server. First, you need using the documentation from AAPanel, and for download and install, you need to run the script if you are using Debian. Just hit enter, then you can click Y or yes in here. It will take some time to complete this session, so you can just take coffee or tea when waiting this session or installation for AAPanel. To install AAPanel or another control panel for web server, you need to fresh of operating system, that is Debian, Ubuntu, or another operating system. Fresh operating system is required because it will smooth your installation and prevent causing many errors in the installation. Okay, we need to waiting this until done. After done, you can see there is IP address in here that you can copy okay, and then you can open on your web browser. Voila, your AAPanel is successfully installed on your virtual private server or virtual machine. That's all.